ऐसा भाई पकड़ना मेरे को। हाँ छपनी है, जो टिकट वाले छपनी दे रहे हैं उसको इसमें रख के। Okay, no problem. Ma'am, come on close, please.
Please.
So, gentlemen, I would like to give you some information to be here. Do you know what is the signification about the name of Taj Mahal?
No.
Everybody is saying Taj Mahal because Taj means crown, Mahal means palace, crown of the palace. But nobody can say crown of the palace because nobody can live inside the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal, it is a mausoleum because wife of Shah Jahan, Queen Mumtaz, she is buried inside the Taj. So this is called Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz, this is the name of the wife of Shah Jahan. But Mumtaz, not the real name of the lady. The real name of the lady, this is called Arzuman Bano Begum. Arzuman Bano Begum, this is a Muslim name because she is a Muslim lady. She is belonged from Persia, Iran, daughter of Asif Khan. Her father name they call Asif Khan. Asif Khan is a big shot of Mughal dynasty, Jahangiri court. He is a prime minister. He is a prime minister of Jahangiri court. Jahangir is the fourth Mughal king, father of Shah Jahan, man of the Taj. When Shah Jahan going to be married with the king, with the lady, they give to the title of Queen Mumtaz because Mum means beautiful, Taj means crown. So beautiful crown lady, she is buried exactly in the center chamber of the Taj Mahal. Secondly, this is the gate which we enter right now. This is not a main entrance gate of the Taj. This is the gate of entrance to this courtyard, such a huge courtyard of the Taj. Because this courtyard is also built by Shah Jahan in the same time, 1631. They built the courtyard as a security point of view. During the Mughal time, all these security people, they live in this courtyard. So in this courtyard, there's a four gate and the different direction. This is the name of the gate. This is called Eastern Gate of the Taj Mahal. One of the gate. This is called Western Gate of the Taj Mahal. One of the gate. This is called Southern Gate of the Taj. This is called Tajganj Gate. One of the gates from here, this is the direction from the north. North is the main entrance gate of the Taj. Why? Why the north is the main entrance gate of the Taj? This is the reason to be India for a Muslim. And in India, Muslim buried the body, direction of the body, head from north, feet from south. When they buried the body, they moved the face direction to be west, region of Mecca. India, Mecca facing on west. In America, Mecca facing on east. That's why north is the main entrance gate of the Taj. Would you like to see the beauty of this gate? Because this gate they call Royal Gate of the Taj. Why they call Royal Gate of the Taj? Because the gate is so beautiful. And gate are so highly decorated. To use a beautiful jewelry stone to be inlaid. Jewelry stone to be inlaid like a precious stone and the semi-precious stone. Some of the stone from India, some of the overseas also too. Secondly, we would like to have a look at the gate. There's a beautiful black letter. Black letter. This is the most important letter. This is called Holy Book of Quran. Arabic language. When you go close of the letter, some letter is smaller, some is bigger. But letters looks like a same size. No bigger, no smaller, bottom to top, top to bottom. Because each letter, it is made on one piece of black onyx. Onyx they get from India. And each letter to be engraving in a marble. So the work is so hard and so complicated and very, very intricacy. Secondly, would you like to have a look at the top of the gate? Do you know how many number of dome on a line? Easy to count. 11 from here, 11 from another side. 11 plus 11, 22. Because Taj will be finished after 22 years. 22 years to build, 20,000 people. All the people they belong from Persia, Iran, under the supervision, chief architect of the Taj. This is called Ustad Isa Effendi. Effendi, this is the title from Turkey. So Taj will be finished 1653, 1631 to 1653. Rest of information I'll give you inside the Taj.